G'day guys, I'm trying to vlog earlier but I couldn't focus because I'm so self-conscious, so let's just go out and just do some, I don't know if this skateboard has some juice, but let's just go to the park at the back. Yeah, I'll show you the back part. And oh shit, I hate this part here. Okay, we're here. So yeah, basically just trying to vlog earlier, and the thing is I felt that our neighbors are listening and I couldn't make a video. I made one earlier inside the house, but it was ugly, so I had to do it again today. Anyway, approaching sunset. Yeah, some people out there. Cool. And that's backlit. That's bad. That's a really bad angle. Sun's over there. Should be shooting this way. I shouldn't be shooting this way. So let's just look for a spot. This is so harsh lighting up here. Let's see. I didn't even bring a tripod for my mirrorless, my A7C2. But yeah, let's see how we go. Let's look for a place to go. Just as I sat here, they're flying a drone right there, and they came near me because I'm on a skateboard, electric skateboard. Anyway, yeah. So yeah, last winter this tree is like empty, there are no leaves, and now it's all lush. There's where we sit. But yeah, quite windy today. Not much, but yeah. It's a good day, guys. I'm in a park right now. I did my video earlier this morning about this, and the thing is I didn't like it because it was indoors, it was so dark, the lighting was so harsh. It was not what I wanted. Right now I'm in a park that's just outside our house, and I'm feeling so embarrassed of doing this, even though there's not a lot of people here. We should not be embarrassed, but anyway, yeah, vloggers, yeah, you're vlogging, it's so embarrassing. And yeah, the thing is also I didn't bring a tripod because I didn't want to embarrass myself more. I just want to be light and not carrying a lot of stuff. In saying that, this is just going to be a jerky video. I'm just going to change the stabilization to active, and it focuses in a bit. But anyway, I just want to say, guys, today's Christmas here in Australia. It's summer, it's so bright, and we can wear shorts. Other countries like the US, it's cold, it's winter, and yeah, they're having snow, whatever. We don't have snow here. Anyway, yeah, I just want to say Merry Christmas to you all, and I hope you have a good Christmas. Hope you enjoy your Christmas dinner. Hope you enjoy the Christmas season. That's weird. Anyway, hope you enjoy the Christmas season. And the thing is, also I hope you get what you wish for Christmas. Like you get a gift, get whatever you want. As for me, yeah, we just had dinner last night with Laura. Just simple dinner, not much. I was so busy. I'm so stressed out with some of my backlogs. I'm still working on them. I even have to upload a lot of things. So yeah, I'm not in a, yeah, it's a bad timing. It's my fault though, and I don't want this again next year. We're gonna do better next year. Also, I just want to say thank you to Laura because she just purchased one of the things in my wish list, which was an Instax album. I filmed that bit, the ending of the video, when I did a first video and I didn't like it, so I had to make an ending, and now this is another start. I don't know. You see how it goes. It's hard when you're vlogging and you don't prepare, and when you look at the footage, it's so bad you have to redo it. So this is me redoing it. I'm just here, inside here. Anyway, yeah. So hope you have a good Christmas, everyone, and I hope you have a fruitful New Year also. At the same time, love yourself, take care of yourself, and yeah, that's it. That's all for the video today. I just didn't like what I filmed earlier. Anyway, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna add up more for this video because the thing is I'm not really satisfied. One of the things is that I really love to vlog. I really want to film myself, but I can't make a story, so I can't make the final edit. And what happened now is I was just trying to make the final edit, but the thing is it did look good. The footage back home did look good, so birds are so noisy. But anyway, I'm gonna try to like do good videos, like yeah, do more videos, and as long as I'm enjoying it, as long as I'm having fun, I might be able to vlog in public. Right now I'm a bit embarrassed because it's been a while I've been vlogging, and the thing is I haven't been putting up good content, But as soon as I make up a lot of content and I get comfortable with this thing, you're gonna see a lot of videos. I've had a lot of videos at home, but they're not yet done. When I'm shooting a wedding, I want to film, but the thing is, I can't finish it. But let's see how we go, and hopefully by next year, which is a few days from now, we're gonna enjoy vlogging. We're gonna get more videos. This is just my wish, and also I hope that next year is gonna be fruitful for all of us, for you, for me, and for everyone. So poi my hands. I didn't have a tripod. I was embarrassed to bring a tripod, and this is what happens. Yeah. Anyway, I need to head home. I need to upload this because it's 8 p.m. Oh no, 7:42 p.m. and it's gonna be Christmas is gonna be done. I'm gonna be uploading this late, so I don't want that. Anyway, in saying that again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Take care, everyone, and love yourself. I was about to edit the video and remembered I'd just like to thank Laura for giving me this. This is an Instax album. You can put Instax photos in there, and I have this Instax printer. So I'm going to start putting all the photos and some memories in here. Not just in Instagram, but in here. So yeah, I'd like to thank her for that, and Merry Christmas for you all.